Hey guys, I got something pretty awesome to show you. This is the Philips Norelco OneBlade. I've been using this for about 4 months and I love it. So I shave my face, 3, maybe 4 times a week. I used to use a razor, but I found this and I decided to give it a try, and I've been using this for months now and it is amazing. This is their teen model, which the only difference between this and some of their other models is this one is just the lowest cost one, and it comes with a anti-friction blade, they call it. As you can see, it's different than the standard blade. I noticed no difference between the two blades. I actually started using this one. As you can see, it's older. I've used it and cleaned it. It's kind of miscolored. I don't notice any difference in the two blades, but this one is supposed to just be a little bit better for teens, I guess, but there's no difference here. The only difference in that is the blade. This unit and every other unit, all they are is a battery that you plug into the top, the cartridge, and then it works. Now, what I love about this teen one is it was only 25 bucks. And these replacement blades are actually 15 bucks if you buy just one at a time. So this unit really only costs 10 bucks. It's got a nickel metal hydride battery. There are some with lithium, but this thing says it has a 30-minute runtime. I've used it for over a month before recharging it and never gone dead. I also like that it's a spin-on. Many of the others have a push button start, which for traveling and stuff, that might get pushed on in your luggage. I brought this on vacation. I've even brought this out of the country on vacation and lasted my whole trip. All I brought was this and this little cover for the blade so it doesn't get hurt during transfer. And for like no money at all, for 25 bucks plus these, you can get a 2-pack for 15 bucks. You get $10 off. So this was only 15 bucks and 25. For 40 bucks now, I've got shaving solution for probably years. Now, you can also get these models with grill guards, but I already have a little shaver for my beard and mustache. But you can get these with little grill guards as well, and there's some that are even more advanced. They have a dial and like a whole grill trimmer grate thing going on. I'll link some of them below. I'll link this and a couple of the other models I suggest. But it's just really awesome. You're not going to get a perfectly close razor shave, but it's going to be darn close. It's going to be like better than a 5 o'clock shadow, and it's super simple and easy to shave. So let's go ahead in the bathroom, but first I got one more thing to show you. Before we move on to this box, I wanted to show you this too, a little nose or ear trimmer. This was aftermarket. It's not made by Philips, but it works great. Goes right into here. And with this, and if you get a trimmer guard and you got the shaving blade, this can be an all-in-one solution. But I also wanted to show this. If you guys are sick of paying too much for razors, I found these, McKeeson, and these things are just a standard, cheap 2-blade razor. But the nice thing is, you use them one time, they work perfectly fine, and this whole box of 50 was only 13 bucks. So really great deal. And these are pretty good razors. They're actually mostly used in like the medical field, and tattoo artists will use them before tattooing. So check those out too. Let's go see the shave. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is shave half my face. And there we go. I did a quick run over. And as you can see, it's like mostly gone. It's kind of like, a little better than a 5 o'clock shadow. And this is an old blade, but I've been using this for months and it's still fine. Might get slightly closer with a brand new one. You can shave both ways, up and down. The blade works on both sides. Let's do the other side. And there we go. After a quick go over. And as you can see, I look shaven now. So now I don't have to do a full shave every time. I can just do a quick touch up with this thing and look perfectly fine. And if I ever want to go over it with a razor, I can. But this is so nice. It takes just a couple seconds, 30 seconds to do your whole face. Wanted to show that to you guys. So overall, guys, pretty awesome product. As I said, I've been using this OneBlade head for months. I shave like 2, 3, 4 times a week really quick. I think this blade will last me at least a year probably. And then I got 2 more still. I'm going to put links down below for this one and then some of the better models. They have like 6 or 7 or 8 models, but I've researched them a lot. I'm going to put down there which ones I think are best. If you want to go low cost, the teen one's the way to go. It's better for travel too, like I said, because there's no push button that could get pushed on. You got to spin it. But if you want one of the higher priced models that, you know, they all do the same thing. They just make the head move. But some of them do have some better batteries and some do have some attachments which are cool. So I'll show those as well. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later. Okay, really quickly, I want to bring you guys through. So as you can see here, here's the teen model that I have for 25 bucks. This has a 30-minute nickel metal hydride battery. We go up to the next level, and the only difference in this one is it still has a nickel metal hydride battery, but it's got a 45-minute runtime, and it also comes with 3 different length trim guards. So you can do mustache and beard a little bit. And that's 10 bucks more. It's not much more. But then you go to this one, it looks almost the same, right? It's 69 bucks, but it has a lithium ion battery that lasts an hour, and it also has more trim guards, extra blades, and then up there that's connected to it is the face, the body comb. So you can use that more on, you know, armpits, other areas, and that will help you not get nicked. So that only goes up so high on the trim guards, though. You can only get so big of ones on this. Then there's one last model I'd recommend. Again, I'll put links for all these down there. And this is it's actually less expensive than the last one. This one has a 90-minute battery. Comes with just one blade, though. And then it has this trim guard, which looks like it goes all the way up to a level 9 from 0.5. So with that, you can really have this as a complete shaver. And that, sadly, you can only add to this model. I looked if I could just buy this thing and add it to mine. It'll only fit on a certain shaped one of these, so it only fits on this one. So this one I'd say is a good one if you want to spend more, and the teen one is the best one if you want to spend the least. And it also depends if you want these trim guards. All right, just wanted to show you that.